My valves, pretty simple. I have a I don't know if you guys can tell, a throttle body spacer right here. You know, you guys can buy the Boomba throttle body and the intake manifold spacers. Now I am going to be taking this off because I don't really need that anymore. So for the time being, I plugged it in by having a quick little port. I don't know the size, just a little nice hose, and it's plugged all the way into the blowout valve right down there. That's the blowout valve. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull it off and I'm gonna spray it in there while having the car turned on. I'll tell you guys a little bit more about it. Damn, that's boo-boo. But for the time being, I guess you guys, yeah, we're about to go ahead and get this car cleaned up with some direct injection, boys. You heard? Carbon hood, nigga. It ain't looking that bad. Carbon wrapped hood. There we go. Carbon wrapped hood. Alright, yo. Ya Allah. Get in the Lambo, he said. Get in the Lamborghini. Make sure it's in neutral. Clutch in. Holy cow. Now, we're gonna go ahead and see how this car idles first thing in the morning. I don't think you guys were able to hear me, but it's, wow, it's loud as shit. Like, damn, you can hear that thing just idling as we speak. As you guys already know, team no back seats. So we're about to go ahead and as you guys can tell, there we go. You guys saw how it jumped a little bit. You know, kind of hit back. It kind of misfired a little, and it just went back to normal. Now this is my first scan of spraying the direct injection. I've done this previously and it helped it a lot better, so now I'm about to go and spray 2 more cans and see how much more that can help. Alright guys, so yeah, we're currently on the way to my boy Cody. We're about to go ahead and scoop him up. Go ahead and hit Walmart. I'll show you guys what I buy to clean it up. You know, like what I typically would buy to. Alright guys, so we made it. We're at Walmart. My boy Cody out here, you know how we do. Boy Cody ain't even used to that direct injection cleaning status, you know what I'm saying? So you guys are gonna all figure that shit out. So we got everything. Man, such a nice ass weather out. Bro, the weather's so nice out. Figure out what they got. Right. So, should be around here to be honest with you. Direct injection DI, boys. I see them. Up here, seafoam. Wow, the seafoam cleaner is 13. This shit up here. Oh, you guys saw how pretty much it is. This is what's good to be.
Our system's down to be able to do it that way. I just need to know either fold in or.
Alright guys, so here it is pretty much. I'm pretty much about to go ahead and spray it into the throttle body spacer that I have. And I'll show you guys what I'm talking about a little bit once I get to the car, but it's gonna be the key right here. Alright guys, so now all we're pretty much gonna do is I'm gonna spray this into this port, and this connects into the throttle body spacer. So what I'm gonna do is, alright, so all you're gonna do is, what's gonna happen is when I'm gonna spray this, the car's gonna want to turn off. So you want to rev it up to 25. Hold 25. Yeah, like right by there. Yeah. Kind of get used to that. Keep going, yeah. Pepper up a little bit more. Here, kind of rev her up to 4, like just tap it. Nice. Now let me spray a little bit more. Now once I start spraying, you know, say proceed to hold it to like 25. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Dude, look at how much smoke's gonna come out of it.
Was the smoke coming out of it because you were spraying it?
Yeah, that's all the oil that's getting burned off right now.
Oh.
All that was oil. That was all shit wasn't even supposed to be there, pretty much.
Well, that's good then.
Dude, yeah. You smell that? It's all that oil, bro. It's a lot of oil, you guys. It just ended up coming out. A lot. Wow. Alright guys, so after I pretty much ended up spraying the whole spray on there, thanks to my boy Cody, we're gonna go ahead and drive it just for a little bit, have it settle through. Get on there, get on, you know, just a little bit on there, nothing crazy, but we'll see how that goes. Definitely idle is gonna be a lot less when it comes to misfire, but I'll end up starting to count the misfire, see if there's any difference between the before and after, and I'll keep you guys updated on that. My boy out here munching on them canes. Had to stop by to get some. You guys already know how the roll goes with canes.